Hey guys, it's Tanzy the Trophy coming at you in another video. This video I'm showing off my hair. And yeah guys, I wanted to share some Instagram links to my Instagram, 3 of them actually. Please follow. And yeah, I have a link to my new YouTube channel, one of them. And yeah, I only have 2. So yeah, keep watching. Please follow me. I'd really appreciate it. Also, guys, please check out the comment section and information box because I will have links to my second channel, which right now is currently called Empath Reality, which I'm going to change that because I don't like the name. But yeah, guys, I was feeling myself. Look at her. Look at her. Yeah. There you go. But yeah, guys, I hope everybody had a Merry Christmas. I sure did. I hung out with my family. Pretty much just eating. We had steak and shrimp. Yeah, I said it, shrimp. I mean, wait a minute. Which one do you say, shrimp or scrimp? Something like that. But yeah, we had shrimp and steak, and it was delicious. Yeah, guys, so I made this wig with 100% canoculon hair. It was 2 different colors. One was a 1B or a jet black. 1 or a 1B. The other half was either a 30 or a number 27. I think it was a 30 because that's kind of dark. Yeah, but I think this reminds me of the Dalmatians, the evil villain in the Dalmatians, 100 Dalmatians. Because Cruella de Vil, that's kind of how it inspired me to do this. So yeah. And guys, this footage is a little old, but I'm redoing it just for you guys. And yeah, this is the cap I use. I use a crochet cap to make the wig, and I use flexi rods in order to curl it. The hair costs $1.99 per pack. I think I used 2 packs each. I think I did. And then I added some lace to it to help make my front look better. But guys, this is the beginning of when I first started making crochet lace fronts. That was probably about maybe 7 or 8 months ago. And this is a re-upload. But I didn't want to make it seem like, okay, that's as far as my skills go, because I have advanced and gotten better at doing this. So yeah, guys, I also spend time with my puppy Wuppy Wolverine. He's my baby. If y'all don't know, I do have a pet dog that I've had for 10 years. Ooh, look at me. I'm letting my hair blow in the wind. I'm feeling some type of way. Hey. And yeah, guys. My dog, you hear him? Uh-oh. Wolverine. Uh-oh. Yeah, y'all can hear him now. But yeah, guys, that was a beautiful day. I remember it so well. Just enjoying myself. I was actually singing in this footage. But I didn't want y'all to hear that. That's kind of why I took it down in the first place. Because my singing wasn't all that good right then and there. But yeah, guys, I will be having some videos coming out where I sing opera and R&B. I also will post those on my second channel, so please keep it watching. And yeah, I got what I wanted for Christmas. Well, some of it, money. But yeah, guys, I wanted some extra monies. Yeah, shmoney, honey. And my parents gave me money. Woo! And I felt really happy. And I gave them their gifts too. But yeah, this is what the hair looks like, guys. Jumbo braid. Here's some close-ups. Right there, right there. And I like that way I do it, like there. Okay, let me stop. Yeah, that was a practice wig I made. And yeah. Watch to the end, subscribe. And guys, I will be coming out with a Starfire wig. It's gonna be bomb. Well, actually, that's it right there. But I'm going to put out some footage for you guys to show you how I created it. And I'm also going to do a video about Starfire from the Titans. Okay, now if you're into cosplay or DC Comics, then please stay tuned and watch for that. Please subscribe to my channel. Remember, if you subscribe to me, I will subscribe to you automatically. So please subscribe to both my channels. Links will be in the information box and the comment section. So yeah, isn't my mannequin so cute? Woohoo! I love that curl pattern. OM freaking G. But yeah. So guys, what I'm gonna do is pretty much in this video. Thanks for watching. I love you all. Y'all really make my day. I thank all of those who come and check up on me in my comment section. I love y'all. And also, right now, comment what you